Welcome. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to turn off light mode on WhatsApp web and switch to dark mode using the latest update. If you're ready to give your eyes a break from the bright interface, follow these simple steps. First, open WhatsApp web on your PC. Head over to web.whatsapp.com in your browser and log in by scanning the QR code with your phone. Once logged in, you'll see your familiar chat list and interface. Next, locate the settings menu. On the left side of your screen, you'll find a gear icon. This represents the settings option. Click on it to open the settings menu. Once inside the settings menu, click on Chats. This will take you to a section where you can customize various chat-related settings. Here, look for the theme option. Now, it's time to choose your preferred theme. When you click on Theme, a pop-up menu will appear with 3 options: Light, Dark, and System Default. To turn off light mode and enable dark mode, simply select dark from this list. Finally, confirm your choice by clicking OK. Your WhatsApp web interface will instantly switch to a darker theme, offering a sleek and eye-friendly experience. And that's it. You've successfully turned off light mode on WhatsApp web and enabled dark mode. This change is perfect for reducing glare during nighttime browsing or if you simply prefer a more subdued look. Thank you for tuning in. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from it. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks.